In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign on the TikTok Creator Marketplace. When you land on the TikTok Creator Marketplace, you will see this, right? If you don't have verified account yet, you will need to verify your business before you're able to create a campaign. Once you're here, you will see an Explore, tab, but then you'll see the Create Campaign here at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to choose from 3 campaign types. One, an invitation campaign, the other an invitation Lite, and the other one is an open application, right? These two are for reaching out to creators. One is a quickest version than the other one. The full one is this one. And the open application is for letting creators find you, not the other way around. We'll go ahead and create an invitation campaign. We'll click on next. And we'll need to choose a brand. In this case, it's my agency, an email, phone number, contact name, and you will need to write the following: campaign name, description, a banner, product name, and a product description. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out with the Lorem Ipsum. Of course, you will need to be descriptive with the name and with the description. The more information, the merrier, so creators know what to do. Of course, you can upload an attachment as well. You can add a banner, the product name, and description. I'm going to save that for the sake of time and only fill out the mandatory fields. Once you're ready, you click on next. And there, you will need to enter more campaign details, in this case about the deliverables. How many videos you want them to create? Is it 1, 2, 3, or more? You will need to do it here. Deliverable number 1. Is it a branded content or not creative? In this case, if you choose branded content, videos are posted by creators to their TikTok account. You can request authorization to boost with Spark ads. But if it's a creative, videos shared by creators for your brand to use as TikTok ads and they are not posted in their account. You can then select the timeline. You can choose optionally to submit a concept, right? You ask them to submit a concept. Otherwise, you can provide them with the concept in the brief. You upload it in the previous screen or in the guidelines here as well. You can submit the video, the date in which they need to submit the video for review, and then the date in which they will need to post the video. So you can go ahead and choose whatever date, submit the video and for them to post the video. And of course, here you have the video guidelines, the must-have, nice-to-have requirements, the requirements for music, product shots, captions, legal creative mandatories, anything that you want to upload, you can write here. Again, I'm filling it out with Lorem Ipsum for time's sake. And of course, you can request authorization, but again, this is optional. If you have an app or a game, you can use the anchor option. But then if you don't, you can skip that and click on next. And of course, here you can choose to pay online, offline, or both, right? You can be flexible. You can give creators the option to receive payment through the Creator Marketplace pay or outside TikTok. And here is the proposed payment. You can choose a price negotiable if it's online, right? You can, choose $100 or $1,000. And of course, you can say whether it's negotiable or not. TikTok recommends that it is. And of course, you could choose whether to give free product or not. And of course, you need to agree. Finally, you can provide an advertising code, but that's it. Once you click next, you will confirm, and that will be all you need to create your first campaign on the TikTok Creator Marketplace.